Hello everyone, this is Umesh, and in today's video I will discuss about Tableau Public and how can you use it. So before starting anything with Tableau Public, let me tell you what it is. So Tableau Public is a free software that can allow anyone to connect a spreadsheet or a file and create interactive data visualization on the page. So as you can see, this software I have downloaded from Tableau's website, that is public.tableau.com, and it has limited features as compared to a Tableau desktop full version. Later on, the same version can be upgraded to a full version. So let's discuss about some of the key features before starting with it. So on the left hand side, there is a connect panel. It shows all the data sources that can which can be connected, and currently you can see Excel text file access and statistical file, that let's say SAS 7b dat files. So these can be connected, and more can also be connected. This has a limited option currently because this is a public version. With the full version, you can connect your own ODBC connection to a SQL server, to an Oracle or Teradata uh, data house or data databases. Okay, so let's move on. Let's try to connect an Excel sheet. So here I have a data file climate data.xls, and for connecting it I simply clicked on the Excel, and it gave me a dialog box to open the file, and I selected it and select open. It may take some time, and once it is done, it will show all this information. Now from the first launch page, it has kept to the another page called data source. That launch page can again be seen from this particular icon, show start page, and again you click back to it, it will show the data source if something exists. Now well, I can see my climate.data.xls is here. So what next, we can explore it. So this is the name of the sheet that I have connected with, and this is the climate data tab. So it is containing only one tab. So if it is containing 3-4 tabs, so all the names would be listed over here. Now quickly move on and let us understand that what it is about the variable. So there are four variables, you can see cities, month, variables, and values. In this section where it is showing preview data source, you can see that it is containing the name of the cities, then the month, then the variables. So variable over here are precipitation, sunshine, and temperature, and some values associated with all those. After that, there is another option here called manage metadata. So what manage metadata can do, you click here, you can see that all my variables have been listed in a in a row wise in format. So like here it is cities, month, variable, values. So let's explore that what else we can do. For example, right now it is variable, I need to type something else. I don't want to give the name variable to this option, so I can rename it from here. I can type weather division, and it is changed. So once I will come back to the this manage data source, I will see that it is in the preview panel, instead of variables it is showing weather division. Now let's again move back to this tab called manage metadata. There is another option. This option is called alias. So for example, on the weather division, I click aliases, so I can see that this particular column contains three distinct values, that is the precipitation, sunshine, and temperature. So rather than remembering from a text, I can also assign some numeric values or something else. Right now I'm assigning integer denomination to them. So one for precipitation, two for sunshine, and 3 for temperature. Click OK, and once you go back to the preview panel, you can see that it has been changed to 1, 2, 3, and likewise. So it is only showing me the top 1000 rows. If I need to check all these things, I can do a simple test, like so you can see that there is a weather division. I have set this threshold value to 5000 rows, so it is containing more rows also. So you can see that what all numbers are being reflected over here. So it is 2, all 2 is also for the weather division, and that was for sunshine. Now let's see that what else we can do with the managed metadata. So for example, I can see that here are my cities, and along with cities some shortcodes are associated. For example, Minneapolis, a shortcode name MN is associated. If I want to create another column which should only be consisting of its shortcode, I don't have to alter my main data. I can do it instantly. So I can go over here under the cities. I need to click and select split. Sorry, not like this. Custom split, and in the custom split I assign comma as a separator, and instead of first I click last and select OK. Now if I go back to my preview panel, I can see that there is another section called case split 1 has been created, and it has actually taken the values wi from its corresponding column called cities. So here we have extracted the shortcode of all the cities. We can rename from this particular manage group section or the preview section. So I can write shortcodes over here. Going back to the manage data group, so we can see that there are other options called create calculated column and split. About this we will be having more discussion in my next video. So thank you everyone, and I hope you like this video.